All right, guys, I am inside of Canva and I chose one of my graphics. And of course, everything's about video now. So I want to show you. I have how many slides? 41 slides for these maintenance tips that I've just been slowly gathering around. So I want to make these into reels, and I don't want to spend all day trying to make reels out of this information. So what we're going to do, come up here to Magic Switch. I'm going to come over here to social media, and now I have Instagram Reel. So I want to convert this. I'm going to click continue. And I don't want to replace this. I want to keep my graphics. So I want to copy and redesign this into a reel. And now I'm going to go ahead and open it. Now you see it open. So I still have my graphics right here. And now I have mobile size. So it basically converted all of these slides, and they are all 5 seconds long. So now I literally just made 41 different reels in, what was that, 30 seconds? So of course, you're going to have little size. I will say, because of a reel, yes, we have extra all this space up here, but this is what is basically going to be on my Instagram feed, what it displays. That is very important to me. So you can customize a little bit. Maybe I want to move this. I could move that check mark in there. So that way it's in the video or inside of this box. And now we have this as graphics. I don't need to have this as graphics. I could come over, and usually I try to see what's on there, but it's a lot easier to find graphics about caulking and windows and stuff like that. So I could take the extra time, maybe type in house. I want to go over to videos. So I could just drag and drop any video I want. But you just see, okay, so this one, it just turned into 6.5 seconds versus my 5. See how that is? All I need to do is click on the actual video. Some videos may be 20 seconds longer, something like that. So you do have to pay attention to the length of these videos, but it's super easy to convert down. So I click on the video itself, and I'm going to click on the little scissors. And you can, if there's movement, if it's you in the video or you're doing something, you can always adjust and cut doing this. Or if I have the full, for me, it's the same. It's a stock. It's generic. I can just, 5 seconds, done. Now it's exactly the way I want. So here you can go through, make adjustments for each one as you want. You don't have to. I do like movement, and I for sure would, it's not going to take you time to rewrite everything, but it's just a matter of kind of resizing a little bit. And of course, you can grab all of those, you can group it. I do like it to make sure that it is centered, because that's going to help me when I'm picking my thumbnail and how it's going to look in my Instagram feed, which for me is important. Add your branding wherever you want, change the photos. And here's the big thing. So once you get done editing, but again, the content's already there. It's just making those adjustments, adding video, because you can do that now. Now I want to go ahead and share. I want to download it. I want to download it as a video. Here's the quality size. Here's the big magic trick. Download pages as separate files, and you're going to download all 41 pages. That basically gives you almost an entire year of content for what it took to just kind of make a little bit of adjustments. Now you're going to have videos, reels, and all of this content. So take those graphics, turn them into reels, into videos, and have so much fun. But that is my magic trick for repurposing content into a different type of content. And I hope you enjoy this and have fun. Thanks. Bye.